This item is the soup, herbal soup. Still very hot. You can see the steam coming up. Wow, look at the herbs. The herbal soup. Lots of ingredients. And it's fresh seafood on ice. Look at that. Fresh. Look, you can order 2 portions if you come with your friends. This is fresh sashimi. Look at the fresh sashimi. Look at the delicate Korean glass noodle. Delicious sashimi. Look at this. This is the mala baby lobster. Looks very baby. This is the second serving of the herbal soup because it's very good. It's a baby. Wow, this color is so nice. Grilled pork. Grilled baby lobster, mala flavor. Kimchi and dumplings, Korean style. This is the angus steak. Dig in, wow. With red wine sauce. Dig in. Yeah, this is the Korean dumplings. Empirical pork, delicious. Butter chicken, delicious naan. Oh, wow. 3 types of roast meat. Salmon with cream sauce. Which is better. Oh, yeah, it's Korean. Vegetarian beef meatballs with pasta. Meatball with pasta. This is the popular Angus steak with fries. Wow, big chili crab. Mantou coming up. Oh, famous laksa. Halloween.